Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Polygon Matic chart, and also give you the short-term and the long-term scenarios. And before I start the video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Polygon has managed to break above a key area of resistance. And before I get into that, allow me to jump to the daily chart to give you a recap of what has been happening here on the Polygon Matic chart, and also give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that Polygon, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $2.9 mark in what I'm terming as a higher Elliot wave contour to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing low prices in this ABC corrective structure, which took us back to around the $0.32 mark in what I'm terming as a higher Elliot wave contour. And after seeing the low for this higher Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3, and that is what I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci. That gives me a minimum target area back to around the $5.0892 mark, and that is what I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in blue, which is a fractal wave within the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3, and that is so because a wave 3 to the upside is an impulsive wave, and because of its impulsive nature we also expect to see a 5-wave structure to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, where I believe we have seen the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 1 of the fractal wave within the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3 after making a peak at around the $1.3 mark. And now my primary scenario is that we're in the formation of this second wave, and this is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Polygon Matic chart. And because the second wave is a corrective wave, we also expected to see an ABC corrective structure, where in my previous videos I had shown you this ABC corrective structure having that as the wave A, then a wave B, then I was expecting one more new low in the formation of that wave C to fully maximize the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2. And because we were in the formation of that wave C, where we also expect to see a 5-wave structure to the lower side in the formation of that wave C, we had been seeing such a structure having these as the wave 1, then a wave 2, then a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5. And in my yesterday's video I said that we need to have an invalidation point of this ABC corrective structure here on the charts, and I had this dotted line at around the $0.9436 mark, and I said the moment we manage to break above that key area, that is that dotted line, that will be bringing about an invalidation of this that is this ABC corrective structure that I have right here. And in this video I want to give you a new ABC corrective structure that I believe is the most likely ABC corrective structure that is playing out over here. There are chances that now that you have managed to break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.95 mark, and we are continuing to push even higher, there are chances that whatever we are seeing right here is the formation of this wave B, and using the Fibonacci's we can sketch out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave B, using the Fibonacci's connecting them from the high of the wave A to the low of that wave A. And that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave B between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and I can extend that target area back to around the fib level 0.382, which lies between the $0.96 mark and the $1.09 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this second wave to the upside to do. And once it plays out, then we can expect a wave C to the lower side to fully maximize the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2, and that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And maybe to give you a rough idea of where this move could take us, I'm expecting it to fully maximize this target area, and also I'm expecting a retest of that key area of resistance at around the $0.95 mark before we continue pushing even higher. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.